Hello, hello everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I'm here to share the February moving parts mini folio. Let's get right into it. Here it is, guys. Look at how gorgeous. Everything is already in your project folder. I went through everything with you all step by step, including the matting. Right here, right off the bat, the photo will speak a million words, right? It's going to tell us what is in here, not just the paper, but the photo. So I left this undone, so you'll be able to stick the photo in here, right? See that? There's a piece of acetate there. Stick the photo in there and then seal it. I used the February charm sets in this one and it came out. Oh my gosh, it's everything, guys. Everything. I love that you can pull it up. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? I'm just so. Oh, it's stuck underneath here. Are you ready? Look at this. Look at this. Look at all of the layers. The yumminess sprinkled throughout. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is all for 4x6 photos, but I did it up here because I couldn't help myself. The embellishments are all just so wonderful that you guys are going to go nuts with this one. So I did a little acetate window here and all sorts of layering. This opens up to reveal multiple layers, of course. Look at this. Look at this. Look at these embellishments. How gorgeous is this? Of course, you do up your photos, all of that good stuff, but I do this, right? So you guys can see how to use your goodies. Oh, by the way, this comes out. Look at that. How darling is this? Oh, so this piece is a paper clip. It tucks right behind the little smooch there. Everything that you see here, paper products, is included in the paper collection. There's so many goodies in there that you guys, again, you're going to go nuts. You're going to go nuts. So you open up, look at the layering process here. This entire piece opens up to reveal all of this amazingness. There's an opportunity for a photo for here, tucked right in there. And then, if that's not enough, you have this giant pocket back here for, whoops, it's acetate, so let me lift that, for photos. Look at how wonderful is this. All right, so all of that room, that closes up, and then, yes, it opens up one more time. We have this opportunity here for a photo. So I did a signature cut there for a photo either this way or this way, whichever way you want to do it. You can go bigger. You can crop a 5x7, or excuse me, an 8x10 to fit in this entire section here. Then you have opportunities for photos here. This is just pinned paper clip there because it's fun to take, little things out here and there. This opens up like so for more 4x6s, 5x7. That closes up. This is also the closure, and then this will tuck right in there, right, when you're done. And there you have it. That's that side. Now, for the party, for the party. So what I did here was a play on a box of chocolates, perhaps a tic-tac-toe, X's and O's. So I went with the box of chocolates. So this opens up and every single one of these open for your 2x2s. You can make these 4x4 and just open these. You can do a 4x6 and just open these if you want to, right? It's up to you. I love the 2x2s. I think you can do so much with photos at 2x2. So I went with this, and you have the options to configure this however you want. Here's another one of those charm sets that you can find in my shop. So there's a lot going on in February for our family. We have Super Bowl. Broderick's team is going to the Super Bowl. So I want to incorporate some of that in here. And obviously, this paper collection has nothing to do with football. Faith also has a couple birthday parties to go to. So what I did, I left this inside section blank. No paper, no nothing. So I can blow this out with just photo mats. excuse me, with just photos. So I'll do a collage of photos for those events here, there. And then we come back into the beautiful Valentine's Day, which I could do a beautiful photo of our Valentine's Day dinner, perhaps. You have that acetate pocket once again back here for 4x6s. I mean, look at how fabulous is this? Look at that. How awesome. And then you have the pocket here. Then it opens up again with all sorts of layering because I couldn't help myself. I went nuts with the layering. Then here, these are 8 by 8 by the way. I have my camera really zoomed in so you guys can see because there's so much detail in this that I really wanted you to see that here in this little final review. But don't worry, everything's in your project folder step by step so you don't have to worry about missing anything here if I'm going too fast. So for a cropped version of an 8 by 10, then we have, I did all sorts of pretty things here. Pretty things. If you are having issues with layering, I have a workshop coming up here really soon. It'll be in my shop soon. It's Layer Like a Pro, and it's going to be super fun, guys. So you're going to want to sign up for it. Look out for Layering Like a Pro here very soon. And we're going to talk about all sorts of layering techniques if that's something that you struggle with. So I left this open on the side so we can tuck a photo. I think I left it open on the side. Oh yeah, so you can tuck a photo under here. There is acetate there, and then of course this is the pocket for your photos and all that fun stuff. All the fun stuff. This flap opens up as well, and I love that this is just boom right there, nice and tidy and beautiful. Good things do come in small packages, and the February moving parts folio is no exception. It is just so fabulous. Look at this, how gorgeous. The paper collection is in your project folder already. If you did not pick up the membership for this, you can get the February folio, you can get the paper collection all separately in my shop. It is available now to make. You also get, when you buy the February folio, you also get the cutting guide for the larger 11 by 11 size. So many opportunities for memory keeping and just creativity. So if you just love making these projects and sometimes you're not sure what you're going to do with it, that's okay too. That's what I do. I just love making it. It is my way to de-stress, to get rid of everything in my brain, and this, it just makes me happy, and that's why I make these projects. Look at this. You can even put it to the inside just for, how cute is this? Gorgeous. Anyway, February moving parts. Have a super crafty time making this. Let me know what you think of it. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on this one. It is just so special. I love it so much. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.